Hey guys, this is Priyanshu and today I'm doing an anime review on Hunter x Hunter. Hunter x Hunter is an anime written by Yoshihiro Togashi. Hunter x Hunter manga began its serialization in Shueisha's weekly magazine Shonen Jump on March 16, 1998. The original anime was released in 1999 by Nippon Animation with 62 episodes, and with a rating of 8.4 on MAL, it became the most watched and most favorite anime of many watchers. Though 12 years later, the remake of this anime in 2011 by Madhouse Animation with 148 episodes made it so famous that it is ranked the 5th best anime in the world with a rating of 9.07 on MAL, my NML list. Before getting into the story, we need to know who are hunters. So let's get right into it. So, hunters are licensed elite members of humanity who are capable of tracking down secret treasures, rare beasts, or even other individuals. They are like allowed to do everything that a superhuman can. Now, they can also access locations that we commoners cannot access to in the anime, that is. So now let's talk about the plot. Gon Freaks, our protagonist, is on a journey to find his father, who apparently is one of the strongest characters in the anime. In his early childhood, he used to live with his aunt, and he was told that his father and mother died in a car accident when he was born. This was not true. So he did some digging, and when he found an old photograph of his father, he asked his aunt about his father, and when she answers negatively, Gon knew something was off. He was a very bright child. As a protagonist, they are special somehow. So, and then Gon did some digging about his father and found out that he is alive, well, and strong too. Plus, he is far away from him. In order to get to him, he has to become a hunter. As I already told, water hunters. His father is one of the strongest hunters. The Game Island arc, that is the Greed Island arc, is kind of backfiring. I mean that it's good, but for some people it's bad because it's just a filler. It's not actually a filler. It's mostly just filled with episodes which you don't want to watch. So yeah, the most of the part Gon and Kilo are training and becoming stronger and stronger. Then after that, they get their hunter license. They go to Greed Island in order to play the game and find out if anything there can help Gon to reach his father, as Gon's father made that game. So that's it. Then let's talk about what are the anime genres. It's an action, drama, and superpower, mm, fantasy anime, I guess. Sci-fi? No, not sci-fi. Everything there is natural about hunters. They have superpowers like Nen, like in Dragon Ball Z Mana, Naruto Chakra, and many other. Yes, Fairy Tail Magic Energy. Similarly, they have Nen, which is their body aura, which they control in order to gain power, special powers, and you'll get to know more about this Nen ability in the anime. So be sure to watch it. It is one of my favorite animes, I must say. It's on my top 10 list, and after 100 subscribers, I will share my top 10 list. Be sure to watch all my videos if you want to know my top 10. Now, before this, I made a video about Full Metal Alchemist. So, shout out to Anime Maniac. His Instagram ID is in the description. He noted out a problem that was in the video, that Bones is the actual anime creators who created Full Metal Alchemist, not Funimation. My apologies. If you find something wrong in this video as well, please let me know in the comments below or directly IG me on my Instagram. The link will be in the description. Now let's get back to the topic. In 2011, the remake of this anime came out. So it was pretty good. It didn't completely run through the manga like in Full Metal Alchemist, but it still was close enough for us to believe in. Now, it was very interesting to watch the Greed Island arc, for me at least. I would say there are some points where you don't want to watch the anime in Greed Island arc, but beyond that, it is just a piece of cake, like really good. The fight sequence in it are just absolutely stunning. Some of the fights you so eagerly waited for just ends up in a quick match, like a one punch knockout or something. But there are fights in this anime which is really good. Uh, Apart from Gon, there are many characters such as this. These characters help him get to his goal. They become best friends of Gon. It was going very smoothly up until the anime stopped airing, as the writer of the anime didn't get the time, or I guess get some relevant topics to write all the manga, or they didn't get to convert the manga chapters, or they weren't able to convert the manga chapters into animation, as they did not wanted to increase the number of episodes by giving fillers. But there is still a grim chance that Hunter x Hunter may return in 2021 or 2022, in the near future actually. So stay positive, Hunter x Hunter fans. I guess you'll get to see the anime again. That's it folks. Hope you like this video. If I said something wrong, then please correct me in the comments down below. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up icon and subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about anime. That's it, signing off for now. Bye bye, see ya.